What's up? What they do, everybody? It's your boy Don't Play Trent, checking in live from the lab. Back at it again with another video here on the little account, where I give you guys tips and tricks on how to grow a little account into a big deal. So without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into. Now today is day 2 of trading this little prop firm account. If you guys have been following along, yesterday I went ahead and bought the smallest challenge on FTMO, which is the $10,000 challenge, and that challenge was like $99, I think, or 109 because I did the swing version of it. But it was $109, and my plan is to grow that funded account past both phases and actually get a payout, all with using borrowed money from Cash App. So continue to follow along, stay tuned. Yesterday was our first trade of the day, and we took a loss on that. $72 loss on that trade, and I had to actually just stop trading early, even though I still had a couple more attempts. But I had to, it's always, I don't know, for some reason every time I start a new challenge or any time I'm trying to do something for YouTube, I always just lose the first trade. So I had to get that out of the way, get the nervousness or the jitters out the way. But let me show you guys on the charts what I'm looking at today really quick. So we actually already missed our first entry, which was a couple minutes ago, which is kind of cool because I kind of wanted to take the entries live in front of y'all. But we missed our entry right here at the 50,500 bank level. As you can see, price just kind of bust straight through it. And I was hoping we got a retest, but we didn't. We came about like right here. And honestly, for me, because I wasn't on live and it's not my ideal area of interest, nor is it my trading time. It's only 8:30. I usually like to start trading 9:30 when the market opens. So just a whole lot of things that just wasn't lining up. So I'm like, you know what? There's no sense for me rushing it, especially on the FTMO account. But I did take a trade on my live account. So I have the live account. I took a trade right here at the 250 bank level as price bust straight through it. As you know, I didn't take the breakout, kind of waited for the retest. Once price came down and retested, I went ahead and entered. So you can see I'm on my live $200 account, and up floating only $6. And like I said, it's kind of before the market opens, so I usually go very light. I don't scale in, just kind of get my early entry, just to get that fear of missing out trade. So I'm like, you know what, market ain't even open yet, let me at least get me an early entry in. And this honestly what happened to me yesterday, which is why I wasn't able to take advantage of the move that happened yesterday. Market moved tremendously, phenomenally, am I saying that right? Phenomenal yesterday, and I kind of missed out because I was hesitant. So today I didn't want to let that happen. I'm either going to win the trade or lose the trade. And if I'm not as confident in the trade, I'm still going to take the trade. I'm just going to go light, and which is why I went light here on this position here, because it's before the market opened and market had already kind of did this major push up. But it is at my area of interest, which is the bank level, which is where I like to enter anyway. So I went ahead and took the trade. Now US 30, today's day 2. So starting today, every trade that I take on this FTMO account will be US 30 and US 30 only. So as far as my real account, I'm only going to be trading NAS on my personal account. But when it comes to the prop firm account, I'm only going to be trading US 30 on the prop firm account. So I shouldn't take no other trades, which is, I want to say, let me see. So I took 2 trades. I don't think it shows like the pair that I traded. Does it show the pair? Okay, I guess it doesn't show the pair that I traded. And I only wanted to show you guys so you guys can just hold me accountable, that if you see me trade any other, right here, if you see me trade any other symbols, which is US NAS 100, I don't even trade currencies anymore, but anything else, gold, if you see me trade anything else on this account, that is me not being disciplined. And just hold me accountable. Write in the comments, hey, Trent, you said you were only going to trade US 30 on this account. Why are you trading anything else? Right? What is NAS doing? Okay, looks like NAS is retesting a little bit. But I have a lot of wiggle room on this one. My stop loss will probably be somewhere down here under this low. And it's just because I got a very small entry in. So even down here, I'll probably lose maybe like $50 or $60 or something like that, which is ideal for me. I like to lose no more than $50 per attempt or somewhere in that ballpark. Most of the time, I'm losing a little bit more because I'm trying to hold the trade and trying to see where it's going to go. So I end up losing like $50, $60, which is not bad, but it's not ideal. Ideally, I like to do $50 per attempt. So this is why I'm able to kind of get a kind of extend my stop loss a little bit more than normal. Usually my stop loss is 50 pips, and that usually equates to about $50 or so. So I start every morning with a $200 account, and then on my $200 account, I like to lose no more than $50. So I basically give myself 4 attempts to make some type of profit. And if I can't do that within 4 attempts, then I'm done for the day. No over trading, none of that blase squaze stuff. But anyway, it is before the market opens, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the account. Like I said, today is day 2. I'm going to be live trading this account, so that's going to be a different video. But essentially, I just wanted to give you guys an update on day 2 funded account, down $72 on this account. And we're going to either blow this account in front of y'all, or we're going to actually get a payout. Hoping we can get a payout so you guys can actually see the process, but at the same time, you guys also need to know or be familiar with traders do blow accounts. Like, I don't care what status you get to, traders, whatever experience level you have, there's still traders that lose money. There's still traders that blow accounts. The only difference is they just have the money to get back in. They have the money to get back in. Like I always say, the hardest thing about trading is having the money to trade. But anyway, it's Don't Play Trent. Just giving you guys a quick update. I am checking out. I'm about to get ready. Like I said, it's only 8:30, so about another hour. Damn it, US 30 would not come back and give me this retest. Let me just show y'all real quick how it will not come back, and it just, this 1 minute candle just shot straight up. But I'm hoping that we can come back down here near this 500 area, and I can get a retest, and I can have my stop loss like right here somewhere. You know what I mean? But I want to enter in this area because if I enter up here, I'm kind of entering high, which means my stop loss has to be a little bit further down, which is what I don't want. But again, it's Don't Play Trent. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to your boy and hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time the little account drops a video. But I am the little account. I'm going to show you guys how to build little accounts. You do not need a lot of money in order to trade. You just need to know how to trade, and you need to have money to trade. So again, let me go ahead and check out. Let me do my morning routine. Then I'll be back on here to trade live in front of you guys. Hopefully I can catch this trade live in front of you guys, but if not, oh well, I'll still update you guys. But so far, day 2 down 70. We'll see what we can do today, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. Don't Play Trent checking out. See y'all in a second.